Jacob & Company Bugatti Chiron Blue Sapphires watch. Main features are: case size is 55 x 44 mm. Case height 22 mm. Case material 18K white gold and sapphire crystals. Crystal anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Case back 18K white gold and sapphire crystal. Crowns and pusher black ceramic. Water resistance 30 meters. 3 am. Movement caliber is JAM 37. Winding hand wound. Number of components 578. Power reserve is 60 hours. Frequency 21,600 vibration per hour or 3 Hz. Gem setting case invisibly set with 339 baguette cut blue sapphires 17.8 carat. Crowns invisibly set with 60 baguette cut blue sapphires 2.35 CT. Clasp invisibly set with 18 baguette cut blue sapphires 1.75 carat. Total 417 baguette cut blue sapphires 21.9 carat. Dial rhodium plated dial with blue indices and blue EB logo. Hands rhodium plated skeleton hands with blue and luminescent tips. Strap open worked rubber. Clasp 18K white gold deployant clasp.